Hello and welcome to this very special and exciting unboxing of this very rare Anthurium. So yes, it's a wishlist plant. It's a rare Anthurium, and I ordered this from the Plant Essentials, and I think I want to talk right away which plant it is. It's Anthurium Minahasa. I have been watching out for this plant for the longest time. This has been on my wish list since I saw it the first time in Wild Fern's Anthurium collection video, and she got it from Cartel Dawn, and since that time I have been really badly wishing to get this plant, and I happened to find the rarest deal as in the most affordable deal. This is like a fraction of the cost of this actual plant is what I feel. Of course, this is a seedling, it's a small size. This package is like a small seedling baby, and I know that. I did see a picture of it, which I'll put up here on a story by the Plant Essentials, and I thought that's a good deal. It's good amount that I can afford, and the plant looked fine. Later, they sent me a picture of what they are couriering me, which also I think is fine. So I'm okay. I expect this to be a little tiny baby seedling, and that's totally fine. Let's open it up. I love the packaging actually on this. It's like a little round barrel, and it's come locally, like from a domestic city. It's not like it came from outside directly, but I think it's from an Indonesian seller. I think I did ask from a Vietnam nursery. This is from a Vietnam nursery is what I know it is. I had asked about the seller details, so maybe they shipped it to another seller in India, and that's where it has come to me from. I ordered it a couple of weeks back, and I think from the time they shipped it, I got a notification. It took about 4 days roughly. So 4 days is a longish amount of time, I think, for a seedling to be packed, and considering it may have had an international journey before it came to me, it could be a bit tricky. So let's see. This thing is like proper hard, so I think it'll be well protected. Some very different, unique kind of packaging, and it says casual leaves here. Ooh, nice. Look at that. So that's how it is. Very simple packaging, very different. Oh, okay. Oh, baby. It's a little baby. Oh, I got my tag. I've got a tag of Anthurium Minahasa, the Plant Essentials, and Origin Vietnam, as I correctly remembered. This is a little moist and wet. I'm gonna be very careful because I don't know how it's inside. Oh, it's in a plastic bag inside. So yet another. Oh, you have to see this unboxing bit of it. Wow, it's like a tiny little plant, but I love it. I'm so excited to grow this. Very unique way of shipping the plant. So this was in that. This is like cocoa coir kind of a thing. It's moist. You can see the roots down there. Oh, there's a new leaf which it is pushing out. Don't know if you can see over here. So there's a tiny little new leaf. I hope it grows, the leaf. Loving the longish shape, like that's how it's gonna be. Right now, of course, it's because of the packaging upwards, but it's like got long elongated leaves. Minahasa, of course, is a location in Indonesia, a region. That's what the plant is named after. I do think it's a type of crystallinum, but it's a hybrid. I'm not sure of what parents, but we'll check. But it's supposed to have matte, velvety, really nice striking veins, narrow, dark patterns, and it looks very, very dramatic in your collection. So I'm really happy. I don't know what is to be done right now. Oh, you can actually, this is kind of like this. You can see it inside. I think I'll just wrap it up. I don't want to do anything to it right now. There is that soil? There is soil. There's some soil there, little bit of soil, which means I can pot it up soon. I won't do anything right now. I'm just going to put this back in and I'm going to put it in my cabinet. I don't think it needs to be watered on anything. I'm just gonna place this in my IKEA greenhouse cabinet, and that's all I will be doing. And yeah, I think the other day we emptied my pink IKEA pot, but I think I'm just gonna put this in that and not gonna do anything. Let it acclimatize over 4-5 days, see whether that new leaf is opening up or not, and then maybe I will pot it up. The other thing is, of course, I pot it up right away, but I think it's already had a long journey, a couple of travel trips, so I don't want to do anything to it right away. I'll let it acclimatize in my house, in the cabinet, and then we'll see what is to be done. But I am happy with this purchase for the amount that I paid, and for this kind of a plant, to get it while, you know, just being at home, not having done anything, and getting such a nice rare plant. I think that's really a privilege that you know, we get from sellers like the Plant Essentials and of course many more. So really grateful for these guys trying to get us all these nice rare Anthurium plants, and even others actually, not just Anthuriums but so many other plants. And this kind of gives me confidence to again order a bit more, because recently I didn't feel like ordering a lot much, you know, because the kind of shipping experience, seller experience, but this was a good experience, so gives me confidence to order again. And yes, that's it for this video. Just a quick unboxing of this little baby Anthurium Minahasa, and let me know if you know about this plant, how its care routine is different from the other Anthuriums. I have to sit down and research about this. Mostly I won't. I'm just gonna put it in the cabinet, try to forget about it, because that's when plants do their thing. You just let them do their thing and not meddle too much. So I will try and do that. I don't know if this plant is supposed to be dramatic or how. I have no clue. We'll see. And my lights have switched off on their own because it's 9 p.m. That's when my grow lights turn off. So also a sign to wrap up this video. And if you watched this video, thank you so much. Hit the like button, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.